Hey guys, welcome back. So today in this video, we are going to look at how to target customer with a 5 miles radius in Google Ads. So this is one of the easiest way to save money and actually get better results. The problem is a lot of business owners don't realize that their ads are shown to the people who live 20, 30, even 50 miles away. That a lot of waste money from people who will probably never visit your shop, call you, even book your services. In this quick tutorial, I am going to walk you through how to fix that. I will show you exactly step by step how to set up local radius targeting in Google Ads, and by the end of this video, your ad will only show up to the people who are close enough to actually become your customers. So you can do this setting on like both the campaign, like if you are creating a new campaign or you have like another campaign that is already running. So we are going to try this one, and we are already running this campaign. So we are going to edit this location setting at this one. So all you have to do is click on the setting option, and then we will find the location. So this is the location option, and click on this and it will expand something like this. Then we have to edit this and we have to click on this advanced search. Now we have some options, and now we have to go to this radius option, and then we have to address our business address. So I'm going to add here a city name, that is, so we are going to run add here, and now I can adjust the radius from here. So I'm going to add the radius at like 5 miles. So this is for the miles. So you can change it into like kilometers as well, but we are going to run it for like 5 miles. So I'm going to save it, and before saving, I'm going to remove the previous location setting from here. Now we are targeting only 5 miles, and if I say click on the save button, and it is just save. And if you always see like the this one option, this is a 20 miles, so you can again click on this one and click on like added, and you can add it again it like to the 5 miles and click on the save. So this will fix the issue. And like if you see like 20 miles on that side, so then you can click on the save option, and we have like one another setting to adjust. Then you have to click on this location option, and you have make sure that you have selected this one. This is a presence. So by default, Google select this one. This is a presence or like interest. It will show your ads to the people who are interested in location as well. But by selecting the presence, Google only show your ads who are actually live in that area. So make sure you have selected this option, and then you have to click on the save options because we have successfully changed the setting. And then click on this continue and let it save. So this is a simple step that you can use to like edit your location settings. So before we wrap up, I want to give you two quick tips that make your local ads even more effective. First, try to add location rights in your ad copy. Something like best pizza in your neighborhood, like in the bracket, you can add your neighborhood name, or like trusted dentist in your city. There in a space of city, you can add your city name. This will, what it will does is like this will make your ad feel more personal and more relevant. That will help you to get eventually more clicks. And the second is, if you serve more than one area, maybe you have like multiple location or like a service zone, consider setting up separate campaign for each. That's a way you can write more targeted ads and even adjust the budget depending on how important each area is to your business, or like you can say like what revenue they are generating to your business. And that's all for this video. And if you find this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more practical Google tips like this. And thanks for listening. I will see you in the next one.